Welcome back to another video of UK Knowledge Group. In this video, we will discuss how to add a CAS to a badge, how to delete that. We will also discuss how to transfer ownership or print a CAS. Then we will discuss how to export CAS records, how to withdraw an unused CAS, and then in the final, we will discuss how to add, amend, or delete a study address. Before we go further, let me show you that we have created complete guidance on sponsorship management system part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. All these parts are for you. If you have any question, you can watch them, or you can if you get stuck somewhere, you can always drop us an email and we'll get back to you. So without wasting time, let's start. So from the student screen, select create CAS. Then from the Create CAS screen, select relevant student or child student and then select Next. After that, from the second Create a CAS screen, select or choose a finding an existing batch of the CAS and then select Next. If you wanted to create a single new CAS, you click on this one. If you wanted to create a new batch of CAS, do this. Find an existing single CAS for that and find an existing batch of CAS. For that, you click Next. From the Create a CAS screen, enter your search parameter and then click Next. So you have your owner, select over here, batch name, batch created from, batch created to, dates, and then select Next. After that, you will be able to see this kind of a screen. From a batch details screen, select Add Pre-populated CAS to add a CAS with the course detail pre-populated, or select Add CAS to add with no pre-populated data. So you can see the details over here. Batch name, this is the batch name, CAS, number of CAS in batch. You can see that's number 1. If there are like 5, you will see that. Owner, the name of the person, status, ready to go, date created on that. And then after that, you have the options to click these. Then from the Create a CAS screen, if you selected Add Pre-populated CAS, the course detail of such course fees, accommodation details will automatically populate, and then you only need to complete the student details. Enter any outstanding details and then click Save. Once you have completed, you will be returned to batch screen and you will be able to display all the batch whichever you can. So you can see the details over here, student details, name, family, gender, student, all that details will show like this. Many people do ask this question that how to print CAS or how to transfer ownership. So now we will discuss how to do that. For that, from the student screen, select View CAS. Then from the View CAS screen, select Find by CAS number. If student or CAS number is known, if you don't know that, you can do the Search by CAS. After that, from a CAS search screen, find by CAS number, you have the option over here, or you can search by details. You will see the details over here, passport number, family name, given name, date of birth, and then click Next. Then to transfer a CAS, select a drop-down CAS activity, choose Transfer CAS Ownership, and then click Next. The screen will display like this, Transfer a Single CAS. From a Transfer a Single CAS screen, choose SMS user to whom you wish to transfer the CAS by selecting their name from the drop down menu and then click transfer. So these are the details over here. The current CAS number or CAS is assigned to this person, Gemma Smith. Now what we are doing, select to whom you wish to transfer the CAS. So the name is appearing over here and then you click transfer. After that, you will be able to see a screen, transfer of a CAS complete, click OK. Now how to print a CAS? For that, a file download dialog box will appear from which you can choose open to produce a printable version, or you can save or you can cancel. It's always better to save a file and name that file as well. It will be PDF file. When the PDF file is open, it will look like this. Confirmation of acceptance for students details. Tier 4 general, sponsored license number, sponsor name, CAS number, current status, ready to go, CAS current state, CAS status date, all that. It will show up over here. If you want, you can print this for your record or save it in the drive or email it to the student. Now in this guidance, we will learn how to withdraw unused CAS. It's very important because many times you assign CAS to students and students don't use it. You need to withdraw these CAS. So how to do that? For that, we will go on student screen, select sponsorship duties. Then from the sponsorship duties screen, select manage live CAS by search or manage live CAS by CAS number. You have the options over here like we have done in the previous examples. After that, you will be able to see a screen where you can put the CAS number, or you can search by details. Put student number, passport number, family number, date of birth, etc. etc. You put that and click next. After that, you will be able to see the screen where managed live CAS will show, and you will be able to see the details of the student. Now at the bottom you have three options: back, update fees, sponsor note, withdraw CAS. So previously we discussed update fees. We have also discussed sponsor notes. This is time we are discussing withdraw CAS. So this CAS was assigned to the student, and now we wanted to withdraw it. Then from the manage live CAS withdrawn screen, select withdraw CAS. If you do not wish to withdraw, you can cancel. It will again ask you to confirm. So the CAS has withdrawn successfully, and then click OK. As soon as you OK, it will go back to the main screen. Now in this guidance, we will learn how to add, amend or delete a study address. It's very important for the home office and for your own system. So for that, again from the student screen, select manage study address. You will be able to see this screen as soon as you hit that manage study address screen. Select add a new address or delete or edit the addresses which you have. So for example, this is the address. This is the Sheffield, and this is like, it's mentioned over here. So you have the option add, or you can edit this address as well. When you will click add an address, it will show up a screen like this: address identifier, address, city, zip code, country, and then click save. Once you do that, it will say the study address has been selected, has been saved. Choose OK. Now how to delete or edit the address. For that, from the edit study address screen, select change the address detail as necessary and then select save. You might return to the manage study screen again, or you also have the option to delete the address. So this is the address we have in the record, and we have the option to delete it or to save it. After that, it will show up like this: delete study address, address identifier, address details, delete, and then select OK. So this is how you do the CAS or manage your CAS on this sponsorship management system. If you have any question regarding this or any other video, feel free to contact me, or you can also contact us on dr_khan@consultant.com.